Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online science class. Once again today we will continue chapter 10 Water Pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? There are many effects of water pollution as it is not only harmful to animals and water life but humans too. Some effects of water pollution include death of water animals, breakdown of food chains, and diseases in human as people cholera can eat seafood that has been polluted or poisoned. In this picture, you can see that effects of water pollution. Aquatic animals are not alive. Here you can see that tortoise trapped by plastic due to water pollution. Lead, mercury, arsenic, these are chemicals which pollute water and enter bodies of fishes, which are also the major effect of water pollution. Here you can see that seal is an aquatic animal whose nose trapped in plastic waste. Wild penguins are effect of oil spills in water. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, and so on. Arsenic is also a chemical. Due to more quantity of arsenic in water, there are black patches on skin. Now we will know about the prevention of water pollution. How we can check it? We should stop dumping garbage, washing clothes and bathing animals in water bodies to reduce water pollution. Waste from industries and residential areas should be treated and made free from harmful substances to reduce water pollution. We should use of harmful pesticides and insecticides in agricultural fields must be discouraged. We should use natural manure instead of it to reduce water pollution. Now we will understand some word meanings of this chapter. Number 1, power plant, a factory where electricity is produced. Poisonous, very unpleasant thing. Marine animals, animals which live in water. Microorganisms, a living thing that is too small. Reduce, to make something less. Supply, to give something. Infected, to cause somebody to have a disease. Sick, not well. Irrigation, the practice of supplying water on land so that plants will grow. Fertility, the ability of soil to sustain agricultural plant growth. Now you will also read these word meanings and you have to learn it. Once again we will understand the effects of water pollution. Water pollution has many harmful effects. There are so many harmful effects of water pollution. The following are some of the harmful effects of water pollution. Number 1, poisonous chemicals. Poisonous means very unpleasant thing. Poisonous chemicals from factories kill marine animals. Marine animals means the animals which live in water. When poisonous chemicals or waste material of factories flow directly into the river, they kill marine animals. Next, industrial and agricultural wastes increase the growth of microorganisms in water. Microorganism is a living thing that is too small. Industrial and agricultural wastes increase the growth of microorganisms in water which pollute the water. And due to this, the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animal is not properly. Industrial and agricultural waste reduce the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animals. As we know that oxygen is very essential for all living beings. Without it we can't survive, we can't alive. Next, oil spills form a cover on the surface of water. This also cuts off the supply of oxygen to the animals living underwater. Oil spills also reduce the supply of oxygen to the animals living underwater. Now come in next page. Aquatic plants and animals get infected by polluted water. When other animals eat these infected animals or plants, they also become sick. Some people use river or pond water for drinking. As we know that drinking polluted water may cause diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera and jaundice. Next, when polluted water is used for irrigation, the fertility of soil gets reduced and crops can get damaged. Fertility of soil means the ability of soil to sustain agricultural plant growth. And irrigation means the practice of supplying water on land so that plants will grow. These are the effects of water pollution. Now we will understand how can we prevent water pollution and how can we check it. We have learnt about the different activities that can cause water pollution. Some steps that may be taken to check water pollution are suggested below. What should we not do to check water pollution? We will understand this here. Wastes from factories and powerhouses should not be allowed to flow into rivers directly. As I have told earlier, waste from factories increase the growth of microorganisms in water. So, waste from factories and powerhouses should not be allowed to flow into rivers directly. Pipes carrying sewage should be kept away from the pipes carrying drinking water. Means there should be separate place to carry sewage. The pipe which carrying sewage or the pipe which carrying drinking water. There should be separate place and that should be kept away. Water from drains or sewage should not be allowed to enter into wells or rivers. People should not wash clothes or use soaps if they bath in rivers. The use of chemical fertilizers should be minimized. Instead of this, natural manure should be used. All of us are a part of the society. It is therefore the responsibility of every citizen to keep our surroundings clean and disease-free. It is not a responsibility of any one person. It is a responsibility of whole world to keep our surroundings clean and disease-free. Now look at the keywords. Domestic waste. Waste produced in home means waste material of our homes. Fertilizers. Materials used to increase the production of crops. Oil spills. Oil leaked from tankers carrying it. And pesticides. Chemicals used to save the crops from birds, rats and insects. That's all for this chapter.